Hello friends, now we take some few problems on this differential equation. Find the degree and order of the following equation. Find degree and order of following equation. Degree and order of following equation. Okay, now it is visible to you. Okay, find degree and order of following equation. Now suppose here we say that d2y by dx square bracket square plus dy by dx bracket cube minus 4y square equal to 0. So this equation it is, we want to find out its degree and order. Now for this given equation, what is the degree and order? Order means power of the highest derivative. The power of highest derivative here it is 2. The power of highest derivative it is 2. Therefore this is second order. Second order, because power of the derivative is 2. And next one, degree. The highest derivative is this and its power is 2. Therefore its degree is also second degree. So in this way we say that it is second degree. Now we take one another example. d2y by d2 cube by dx cube plus dy by dx raised to half plus ky equal to 0. Now here power is half, so we take first square on both side. If we take square on both side, so to take square on both side we can do some arrangements like d3y by dx cube plus ky we take in one bracket and dy by dx raised to half we take in second bracket. So this whole term is now a, this whole term is b, and so we can take the square of these two terms. So if we take the square on both sides, you will get d3y by dx cube square plus 2k d3y by dx cube plus k square y square or plus dy by dx equal to 0. Now in this equation here we say that the order, first we say the order. Now here the derivative of is 3, so it is third order. Okay, third order. And degree, the highest derivative's power is 2, so it is second degree. So in this way we can solve this problem easily. Okay, thank you.